Dear traders, hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. We'll discuss Forex market situation and also Brent oil, gold, silver, and watch my video about DAX. Also, find it's really close to the current video, the DAX, because technical situation is really beautiful for American dollar index, for euro dollar, for DAX, for Brent. This is something that you can trade really soon. First of all, when you decide to trade, you go through news list. So you need to see that there are some important news that will help you to get volatility. If you don't get volatility on the market, you trade intraday in small ranges. So what you do, first of all, you go through the news list, and if there is something interesting, for example, GDP from America or labor market data from Europe or from America, so we'll get volatility. If you don't have such data, it means that market may stay in a small range. So first of all, news, after the technical picture, and you decide, is it a tendency period right now, or is it in a range right now? So after you decided, is it range or trend period, you choose your instruments. Either those are moving averages or some, maybe, I don't know, maybe some indicators like RSI that will help you to decide how to trade in a range, okay? So I will go now through different instruments and I will quickly show you what I'm gonna do. If you decide to trade, please be aware that it's easier to lose money here than to earn. If you decided to trade because it's your profession, so I wish you luck, stay with me, and of course ask questions if you need something. Let's go. Okay, current picture. This is euro dollar 1 hour chart. On weekly chart, check this out. On weekly chart, I can show you the level of level of support from 2000. This is like 23 years ago. It's a long time, but it was important for the market. So that was the support. After, in 2020, it was a support, and right now it is a resistance. And market gives us resistance from a really big tendency. Can you see it? Can you imagine it is a big tendency? Okay, so you get a rebound from here and market goes down. How far will it go down? This is weekly chart. So what I told you before, after market breaks 106.60, breaks means that close price is under the level. 1 hour chart, 4 hour chart, daily chart, close price is under level 106.60. After that, we sell down to next target, which is 104.60. How did I get this target? I use Fibonacci levels. And those Fibonacci levels show me the correction, which I can get if market is gonna give me this correction and breaks the levels, if they are not ready to go for correction, so they don't break those levels. Okay, on daily chart, you can see that yesterday the close price was under 106.60, so it looks like we are fine to keep selling, and our first target goes to 105.20, after that 104.50, 104.60. On 4 hour chart, it doesn't look like we are ready to sell because neither stochastic oscillator or anything is showing me opportunity to sell, but I can tell you that current price is under 200 moving average, and this fat red line is 200 moving average. I use it all the time. So current price is under 106.60 and it's under 200 moving average. So if you trade 4 hour chart, you should put your stop loss above the previous extremum or above the 200 moving average, and your target goes to 104.60 if you trade with Fibonacci levels. On 1 hour chart, there is no sell or buy signal right now. There is nothing that gives me clear understanding that I have to mark it right now. But we are under 200 moving average, which is a fat red line. And we know the technical picture from daily and weekly chart. Now we gotta check what will happen if market goes down. They will face this support, which is 105.90. So my first target goes 105.90. Under 106.60, I sell down to 105.90, but I still have to put stop loss. I don't want to put a big stop loss because I don't want to put a lot of money. So I go on a 15-minute chart and I have an option. I can put stop loss above the previous extremum, above 106.60. I can do that, but if market gives me volatility, like they jump down, they jump up, they will hit my stop loss. So you can put a big stop loss above 108 actually, so they don't catch you, or you should follow the news list for today, for tomorrow, and stay with the market all the time and fix your profit when they reach your target. So you decide what to do. For gold and silver, for silver, I told you that my target goes down to 20. Let me show you. This is silver. Our target went down to 20.80, 21.20. This area, they reached this area. Now they're trying to test 200 moving average from the bottom side. So it was support. Now it's resistance. And I'm looking at the RSI, and it's showing me a support right now. Actually, yeah, you can see this. From May, last year May, this is a support, and the RSI is hitting the support right now. So it doesn't look like a good idea to sell right now, isn't it? That there is no buy signal as well. If you check weekly chart, there is no buy signal. Right now, we don't have an option to buy and to sell on weekly or daily chart. If you ask me about levels, I'll tell you that 21 or 20.80 is still an important area for silver. After that, target goes for short positions goes down to 20 area. So if they break 21 area, they'll go to 20 area. This is my idea. I'm not trying to say that this will happen. On 4-hour chart, there is no option to sell right now. Nothing that gives you a clear understanding that you should sell. No, you should not. And when will it happen? An idea that I can sell right now. We need some candlestick signal, or we need some indicator signal. Right now, there is nothing that gives me an understanding to sell. But should I buy? Why? So tell me why. Just because they touched 21 area, well, okay, it's a good idea. But how far do I buy? Until RSI is on its way to 70 area, I can't guarantee you now that they will hit the 70 area, for example. So for like this week, to the end of this week, what I can tell you, what I'm thinking about is that it's okay to trade intraday in small ranges like 30-minute chart or 1-hour chart, and the RSI, after they show you sell or buy signal. Right now, I don't have any other idea to trade, so it's better to stay away from silver. For gold, current price is 1,830, and my congratulations with our target 1,820. Yeah, that was a good deal. Are we ready to buy right now? Also, I have two options for this instrument, and I feel like I'm gonna sell under 1,830. Under 1,830, sell down to 1,800 and 1,790. Or market gives me correction up to 1,850, and after that, after they touch the resistance, after they rebound from there, I can sell. So there are two options. Either we sell under 1,830 with the target 1,800, or we are waiting for a rebound up to 1,850. After that, rebound down and sell. Okay, so there is nothing else I can tell you about this instrument. For BRENT, oh yeah, if you Google some news about the oil market, there are many. I'm so sorry, I have to answer because there is a support which will help me to do something important. gmail.com, yeah, they need my data. Yeah, so there are news that are telling me that oil market is booming and prices are still high. Well, yes, they are high if we compare them with the end of 2020. Okay, yes, they are high, but due to tendency since 2022, this tendency price is still going down. And I want to aware you that market still may show me 65, 63 area. They still may do this. On weekly chart, you can't say that the buyer is really strong. It's not like that right now. Situation may be different in a day or 2 days or 5 days, but right now, 22nd of February, they are not showing me good option to buy Brent oil or WTI oil. It looks like down-going tendency will continue. So on daily chart, what I'm waiting for is market to break 77 area and we can sell down to 65 area. That's it. For let's say Dow Jones. Why Dow Jones? Because there is a beautiful technical picture which you can trade intraday, and I can show you this if you want it. This is like a huge range for many weeks. This is a big range, and you can use it together with the RSI period 14. If you do trade intraday, if you know how to trade together with the RSI, you can trade it. So when RSI gets to down area under 30 area, this will be your buy signal, or after market gets above the 70 area, you may sell from there. But what you should consider also technical levels. You can't sell only due to the RSI signal. When you see RSI going above 70 area, you can't just say something like, oh look, they went down after this area. Can you imagine? Wow, what a good signal. No, this is not truth. This is not the truth. If you are a real trader, you will never be like that, because for example over here they did not show a good sell signal. Yes, market went down a little bit, so you could earn intraday, but this is not a super beautiful signal. What you have to do, you have to get this signal, compare it with the signal on 4-hour chart, for example, because it's much better if they are together. For example, RSI gets to 70 area on 4-hour chart and 1-hour chart, or RSI gets to 30 area on 4-hour chart like it's right now, and 1-hour chart like it's right now. And you can see that it's a support area. With what a combination, isn't it great? So yeah, intraday it looks like you can trade. You can trade with do support lines. I have this area like an area for long positions, but there is always but. You also check the daily chart. You also check the weekly chart, and if you are sure to say that market is going down, so you should not buy from this area. Okay. If you are waiting for some news today from America, for example, and you are not sure if market is going to give you this H1 rebound, okay, so you open your deal, you put a stop loss really short, and you enter market. If you're not sure what to do and you're like, oh, I don't think it's a good range, so don't enter market. Okay. Yeah, I keep checking what they're. Okay, yes, they took my request, and this is really good of you. Thank you very much. Also, DAX. Yeah, I showed the technical situation with the DAX. You should go and watch a big video about DAX, because this is something technically beautiful where you can earn. For BTC, I told you about the Bitcoin that my target goes up to 26 area, and if you check the daily chart, I will not buy when I see those shadows on the top side. Can you see it? 1 day, 2 days, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 days with the shadows on the top side. It's not really good to buy when you see those shadows. But it's not 100% idea that they're trying to go down. Nobody said that. So they still may go up to 26 area or even to 30 area. But technically on daily chart, I wouldn't buy right now. Okay. On 4-hour chart, they're still above the 50 moving average, which is still an option for us to keep long positions if you opened them before. So for those who opened positions before, those technical support, which is 24,000, is still a good support, and you can keep your long positions. But if you did not open before, I wouldn't say that it's really good to open deal right now, right today. Okay. I hope we understand each other. Okay, in my trading channel, there are many people who are like, oh wow, we should buy this instrument. That's why, okay, I'm gonna show the weekly picture, which is really beautiful for me because they touch. Look at this. This is a beautiful technical picture. United States dollar with the Japanese yen in outgoing tendency since 2011, and they are in this outgoing trend, which has support, resistance, and It worked. And if you check this price, the price touched the middle part of this upgoing tendency. It's beautiful. It's perfect. Every time I see those technical pictures, it means the technical analytical researches work perfectly if you use them. Okay, so what's next? Okay, we got rebound. What's next? My target went up to 135 and current price is 134.80. What should we do? Okay, so far market is above the middle part of this upgoing tendency, which is good. On weekly chart, we are above the Ishimoku cloud, which is also good. So our target goes up to 139, 139.60. On daily chart, we are in Ishimoku cloud. Nobody will be like, oh yeah, we should buy. No, it's too dangerous. So what we do, we take Fibonacci extension and we try to get this maximum price. Oh my god, it's maximum like 136.40 or 136. So this is your maximum price where market may go. After that we'll get some rebound, and before we break this Ishimoku cloud, we don't buy and hold. The signal from Ishimoku over here is ugly. It says that market is not ready to go up. So this is not an upgoing tendency yet. From technical point of view, this is my really important message. From technical point of view. So what should we do here? Yes, we can buy this instrument above 134 up to 136. This is still okay. On 4-hour chart, it's still okay. On 1-hour chart, it's still okay. Yes, they may test this 134 area. If they test it, give you a rebound, you buy over here, your target goes up to 136, 136.30. Yeah, it may hit that way, but should I buy right now? I don't think that it's a good technical picture to buy right now. Or you buy right now and you put stop loss under 134. This may work for you. Well, I think that's enough for today. I wish you profits. Ask me questions under the video. And of course, traders, I wish you to be, like in your mind with all your ideas clearly. If you are not sure what to do here today, don't trade, do nothing, okay? And after you open your deal and you get your profit, so please fix your profit. Sometimes you see that market goes to your target and you're like, oh, I should wait 20 more pips, and market gives you a rebound and you don't get anything. So after you see some profit, you should fix it, okay? And step by step, day by day, your amount of money becomes bigger, so you can use bigger amount of money into the next deal. So I'm not calling you to hold positions. I'm calling and I'm trying to ask you to fix your profit step by step all the time. Okay? But not like $1 or $100 and that's it and wait for another step. But after you understand that market reached some technical level, you can fix your profit. I wish you to be healthy and wealthy. Bye bye. See you. Subscribe to my YouTube and Telegram channels.